mean, they really got roughhousing, running through the house, wrestling. Oh, Tom's got ya. Tom's got ya.
He's got his ball on her. But you know, that cat's holding back.
Oh, yeah, he could really hurt her.
Yeah, he's actually really being cool with her.
He don't even get his claws
Oh,
out.
she's getting this.
Where's Tom Tom? What's she doing,
She's got
Zoe?
the tennis ball in her mouth.
Yeah.
Right?
They're hysterical, though. Oh, my
They're
God.
cute. That's so neat. They're going to grow up together.
Yeah, my dad can't.